Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome. Hey, this was like my gaming stream intro. I shouldn't have done that. How is everyone doing? Tan the man, Code Guy, Thor. Welcome. Why did you stream today out of all days? You could have streamed tomorrow. I can't stay more than 2 hours starting now. Oh no. Hopefully, I can't stream tomorrow or Sunday, and I'm not planning to stream more than 2 hours. So I think that should be okay. That should work out for everyone. And it is a final day. I have exam tomorrow. Oh. What exam? What paper? What subject? Sorry, I am. And then I have to wake up at 6. Discreet. Yo, Code Guy. Welcome. Discreet what? I forget. What's up, man? Welcome. How is everyone doing? I'm just making one last quick change before I can share my screen, show you the app, deploy it to production, and be done with it. But why? Discrete structures and math. Oh, just had dinner, completed my stream. Ooh, how was your stream? Network. Empty cache and hard reload. What are you doing, by the way? What were you building last time? You were building that game, right? Are you still doing that? Text box is still white. In dark theme. I want it black in dark theme and white in light theme. Godot game engine. Ooh. What is that? Godot game engine. Cross-platform free open source game engine. Ooh. C++. Okay, C++, C#, GD script. Interesting. Something is wrong. Why did I do this? Let me share my screen. So I deployed the game to production. It seems to be working well. And do this. Then I felt to make it more fancy, and that's where I lost it. But let me fix. Oh, let me move my camera for this now. Link. Yeah. Just hold on. Just hold on to your horses. Here maybe. Oops. Maybe here. Maybe here. I am following the brackets guys tutorial. Oh, okay. Memory cache, empty cache, and reload. I'll give you a link in a second, okay, Tan? Hold on. Who is bracket guy? I've never seen him. I need to give this more info. The box is still white in dark theme. Think through, debug the issue and then fix it. Famous game programmer, the brackets guy. Ooh. Is it this? The braces guy or the brackets guy? Nah, this is literally braces guy. No. Game. Okay. I'm going to copy it from you. Reason I'm doing that is for the next project. Brackies. Okay, I was searching wrong. Oh, okay. Does he just teach in the C and Godot, or does he cover like all programming languages? Looks like it's mostly C, C sharp, right? The reason I mean for the next project, okay, Unity, Godot, okay. Then I might not useful to me right now. Yeah, for the next project, I had something in mind. Brackies, yeah. I had something in mind which I'll discuss after this. Oh man, what is this? Inspect. Teal dark. It's this guy that's background color. Okay. Are you satisfied with the website, Iman? I am quite satisfied. I just changed the landing page a bit and it's not behaving as I want to. See this thing, this text box, that's what I want to quickly fix before I do the final push. But everything else, at least I like it. So I already deployed it once. I want to deploy this change. You know what? Maybe I can just, let me think. Where is Versal? Let's try it out. Okay, let's do this. Let's, where is the URL? I'm going to share the link in Discord. Here you go. Not this. Oh, this won't work, right? Settings, domains. This one. This will work. Yeah, this will work. Let me close this. Okay, perfect. Let me share this in Discord. You guys join. I'm on phone. Okay, no problem. Whoever can join. And I'll give you the room code. Okay. Join this room. Let's try it out. This is the room code. Everything is on Discord. Are you hosting? Yes, I am hosting. I sent the why do oh no, there's a dark theme too. Don't worry. Thor, are you joining? Oh, was Thor here? I think I saw Thor, right? Oh yeah, I saw him. I'll wait for few minutes to see if Thor can join. Otherwise, we'll just for light mode to keep color too bright. Yeah, the reason I did that was selfish because like I have, even right now you can see there's a lot of light coming in. So in this room when I'm working, I like to keep the blinds up and there's a lot of light in the background, a lot of reflection. So I like bright color, bright light mode, so that I can see the screen. So just for that reason, I added a light mode. Otherwise, we never had it. So where did you got the cards? What cards? Okay, I think Thor is not here, right? So I'll just start. Tan is the psychic. Let's start the game. Okay, Tan, you need to lock in. Oh, okay. The question now, they are not AI connected. Uh, the cards right now are random. They are hard coded. They are not AI connected. Okay. Oh, wait, let me. I was thinking something was missing. You guys can listen to the music as well, right? Okay. All right. Then give me some hints, man. Tan selected, so I'm sure it's somewhere complex. So without hints, I'm just going to select this. Looks nice, right? Oh. Tan, can you come on Discord? Is it possible? It's better to test it like this. I'll call you on Discord. Just let me know if it's possible. Yo, why is the question? Where do I get? You said you give hints on Discord or something, right? So I removed the hints part. I'm going to call you, okay, Tan? Yo, can you hear me? Okay. So, what? Okay. Wait, something went wrong. So whose turn it is? To interesting. Okay, but it won't let me do this. Interesting. Yeah. Let's try again. Refresh the page. I'll host another game. I'm sorry. No. I'm hosting. I'm hosting. And the game code is, let me ping you. It's BQ9975. Yeah. Okay, Tan is here. Assign a psychic. Start a game. Okay. Okay. Small or large. So I'm going to say somewhere here. You can give me hints. Like we'll look into hints and all later on. Okay. So now I don't click anything. Okay. I'm going to actually, yeah, click on next round. Okay. So now I get to lock the target. Yeah, I do. And I'll do it somewhere in the center. Lock target. And there you go. You got, yeah. So next round. Okay, now you lock the target. Just keep it center. I just want to go through the whole flow once. Yeah. Lock guess. Oh, there you go. And next round. Did you click on next round? Okay. No. It's good. We found a bug, I think. Yeah. So what's happening is, I think when I think we both clicked on next round. Let me see. How do I debug this in production? And because of that, yeah, like in my case, I cannot move the dial. It caused some kind of inconsistency in the. Sorry. I mean, technically, the idea is that anyone can do that. It's not like one person can. I think there's some bug in the system that's causing this. See, right now it's now I cannot do anything. You suck. You sucks. No, wait for which player? No. Ideally, like the way I intended to implement it was that when we both click on, any one of us clicks on next round, like everyone gets navigated to that round. So everyone doesn't have to click again and again. Yeah. But this is round 4. It shows me it's round 4. Apathetic, passionate. What is this? Better add voice or chat option. I'm just reading the chat, okay? Once the round is complete, give the next round permission only to psychic. Okay, maybe that will simplify things a bit. Okay, that's bug number 1. Let me add that. I think only the host can progress to next round. That makes more sense, right? Host can take everyone to the next round. Yeah. Progress to next round. Yeah, so for the hints, I remember you said like you normally use voice. Yeah. So that's why I removed the hints part from this, because if you want to then support passing on hints in the game, then you have to implement the whole chat interface and everything. It's ooh. No. I just removed it because then there's no point in keeping it. And I mean, yeah, even the UI gets cluttered. But let me think about it. And the mm-hmm. No, say what? Yeah, and not even in the first go. Like we can add more stuff later on in between, right? And for these concept pairs, right now it's random. It has some 200, 300 concept pair. It just randomly selects that for you. Is that something that the psychic selects manually? It's random, right? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Let me see if I can fix the couple of bugs and release again in next 10-15 minutes. Okay. I'll call you back if you are here. Okay. Now go study. All right, man. Thank you. Bye. So, okay. I am glad we did this test, because till now, the way I was testing alone was one click here, one click here, one click here, one click here. So such issues where two player might be clicking it together, it never came up on my test, right? So it's I'm glad we found this. Now the thing is, let me close this. Should I give some more time to this? You know what? I have even better idea. Let me undo, discard all two files. Let me go here, close this, go here, do this. That is a good thing. So instead of psychic, what we'll do is we'll just give the new round permission just to the host. Okay. Game screen. Large text with game keep that as background. Make sure the screen is, let me do this. Screen supports both light and dark theme with correct background and foreground. Not that. Background, foreground, and shadow colors. So sometimes some things that could be identified are not compensated. If it's possible, we could change the prompt card if you don't like it. Oh, that's a good feature. We can, and in Teams it could tell. Okay. Username, so we can understand who's in the team. So what do you mean by username? Oh, okay. I forgot to show you that, right? Wait. So now I also added this player mode. See this thing? So here, if I just write this initialize game. So in the player mode, your team names are your names. So if you join this game 10, now you will see instead of Awesome Blossom, you will see the names. So now if you have 3 players playing and you want to play PvP 1v1v1, so you can go to player mode and you will see those names. You can join this room and just check it out quick. We won't play the whole game. We'll just check this. What is it doing? Yeah, right. So now if I assign Psychic here, Tan is here, Tan is Psychic, start game. If you see on the left over here, let me zoom in. There you go. The scoreboard has the player names now. Yeah. Oh man, I've added some kick-ass features, man. I've cooked. But this is not cooking. I think, oh, I think I know what's happening. I think, okay, I think I know. Okay. The style so that everything is legible. Okay, so I am as a client was weak in helping you correctly, or else it would have been much easier and faster. Much better. Yeah, I could see the crown emoji to crown SVG. Okay, that will look pretty neat. That is a good thing. Let me see if I can find this. Yep. We will make that change. Okay. Break the noise. Agent ID. I don't like this. You know what? Two things. I think this is the welcome screen. That's why it's wavelength background. It's hard to explain what I have in my mind in this prompt, because what I want is like a large text wavelength with the subtitle and the text box to enter the name and go forward. But it has to background with large text for the game title, subtitle, text box to enter name and button. By the way, it saved my username, so actually you can. Is that a good feature? I can remove it. Even I'm not too married to saving the username. Either make it an image and feed it for. Man, I don't want to spend that much time making it image and all, so I'll give it one more shot. Otherwise, we'll keep it as it is for now. I know image would look better, but there you go. There you go. There you go. We just have to. We just have to. Okay. We just have to let it cook a bit. This is great. Just update the no music for you, by the way. Why? Now it's better. So this is good, right? Oh, music. Guys, you are confusing me. You want more music or less music? But this looks good. This looks sexy. Sync your minds, break the noise. Okay. I'm going to keep the music at this. I'm just waiting for it to update the theme, and then we'll focus on the bug. Your ears are bad. So this is good. There you go. There you go. Life is good. So let's save it. What did it change in game components? Okay. Yes, crown. I'm committing the changes because sometimes this guy overacts and then makes more changes than it's supposed to. So, okay, I'm not pushing it because, yeah. So what would SVG give us? That is a question. Where is there a green box below the theme to change? You have it too? What? What are you talking about, Tan? Why is there a green box under the theme? What green box? Oh, these boxes. I think those are remnants of the old, like the first version of the app that we created. Not important. Let's focus on the bug first. Before crown, I want to fix this first. In the home screen. Accept all. Okay. Right now, at the end of the round, any user can click on next round to navigate all users to the next round. Update the logic so that only host can click on the next round button. The button should be invisible for all the non-host players, which makes sense. Even in Call of Duty, only the host can click on start matching and things like that. So makes sense. Oh, you're using anti-gravity today. Yeah, somehow since yesterday I saw Claude was not doing the job for me, especially when it comes to UI changes. You saw, right? We struggle with this design, like the color theming and everything, a lot with Claude. Like even before I started the stream, I was trying to fix that, but it didn't work. But with anti-gravity, it just did it. It's really good with UI elements and all. Claude is really good with all the other logic and all. No one is host 20 on the is host flag. Waiting for I did. Oh, array. See the cool thing it did. I don't know if you can see here. So it for non-host player, I had asked it to hide the button, but it also added like waiting for host message instead of this. So that's why I think it's very smart. So let's try this out. All right. Ooh, host a game, player mode, DaveMode, 5 points, initialize the game, Brave browser. Where did it open? It did. Oh, it did. Let me bring it up. There you go. Join a game. Copy code, paste code, join a game, waiting for host, start game. Okay, lock target. This guy, let me turn this dark. I like dark. Yeah, now, right? Okay, waiting for players, lock guess. There you go. Waiting for host. Okay, so only host can do this. There is nothing they can do. Good. Next round. That's where it fucked up. Okay, let's see. Lock target. Lock guess. Two winners. Yay. So it somehow messed up the scoring. I wonder, is it the bug that we just added? DaveMode, initialize game. Oops. Menu, join a game. Start a game. This log guess. So this is the team mode now. So we have awesome blossom now. Here the scoring works well, so we are good there. Google does well, right? Even AI Studio is so good, man. It's so good. So yeah, only next round can be clicked here. Okay, good. Lock target. Lock guess. Next round. They cannot do anything. Lock target. Lock guess. Points are updated. This is a good. We found another bug, guys. Yay! It's a tie. Why is it a tie? Okay. let's at least bug is fixed. So let me just add this. Let me first visually see the changes real quick. Okay. Draw GG. No. There's some either it added a. It didn't change anything, but somehow it messed up the scoring mechanism. So I'm going to review it again. Updated the code so that only this is only hosts can proceed to the next round. Accept all. Wait, just give me a second. I have some thought in on. Okay. Let me start this. Calculate score. Where do we calculate scores? Where is API? Game. Start set join players round. Reveal lock position advance. Let me ask this guy. Why can I do this? Okay. Where do we calculate scores in this code base? Where and how? Okay. Okay, another thing is more like a discard not adding fetches. So isn't it unfair the guy who didn't got his turn because the guy before him got 5? I didn't check. Or give the cycle roll to equally based on. By the way, did you add the limit on how many characters I can send you the message, or it's YT because it's very annoying? YT limits, yes. I cannot add those limits. So about the score, right? See, then what's the point of giving, let's say, 2 players are playing. Player A gets to the 5 points first, right? What's the point of giving a chance to player B if you are competing for max points? It's once you cross the finish line, you cross the finish line, right? There is no, oh, let him see if he can cross the finish line longer. Like doesn't make sense. Your target threshold is 5 points. You cross it, you win it. It doesn't have to be anything else. Okay. So the score code is handled in few specific places with the color been duplicated across the client. The server for secure persistence. The actual defined in actions TS and the API. The formula is upload percentage different with the guess. Okay. Let's server side this. Let's client side this. Theme which is likely to use the visual worker. So I want to update the implementation so that the score calculation is consistent and has a single source of truth. So make sure the score, the calculus score is always assigned to the psychic or the team with the psychic. If they tie, the game is a tie. Whoever has go wins, but bonus round if tie. No. So here there is no rounds now, right? There's maximum score 10. That's what you told me last time. That you guys play for maximum score. That would you can yeah. So I think ideally this should be enough for now. Like anyone who reaches the score wins. That's it. No need to. Rulebook has complex scoring. Let's not go there. This is good. I am ready to say my goodbyes to the to the project right now. So I hope this doesn't break something. Because we are calculating score at 2-3 different places, I wanted to change it so that it's calculated at one place and then we can make more fixes. I want to do this. And then what was your feature request, Dan? I'll just add it over here. This is done. Okay. Allow psychic to give the updater to fetching score logic from the server uses the official rules. Correct attribution, modify the update game score to fetch the for the current round and attribute point to that team. Let's see. Okay, let's try the. Okay, I didn't mean to do this. Back to main menu. This is production. Okay, host a game. Okay, first let's try. Oh, there are so many test cases now. Man, you can add entry fee of ₹10 and winner gets 500. Man, then it won't be a game anymore. Now I'll need a gambling license. So we are going to let's write the test cases, right? Just to make sure we test everything, right? Because there are so many. Team mode, right? Yeah, I think we don't have to do that. There's just 2 here for the scoring. So we started with team mode, limited the score to 5, initialize game. This is Chrome. Now in Brave we'll join the team. Okay. Assign psychic. So first psychic is the Brave, right? So the Brave says, this is the awesome guess. This guy locks in the guess. So now he should get the score, right? So he got the 4-pointer. Good. Now next round. So now we are the psychic. I mean the Chrome is the psychic. And he locks the target. The Brave guesses it. So Chrome will get the point. Okay. Perfect. Next round. So now Brave is the psychic. He locked the target. Locked the guess. Points to him. And now the game should end. There you go. Okay, so this works as expected. Let's host a player v player mode. Again, 5 points. Initialize game. Copy. Back to main menu. Join game. Awesome and Blossom. Awesome and Blossom are so cool, man. Assign psychic. Okay, so Brave is psychic. Start game, right? Oh wait, no, I am psychic. Okay, Gaurang is psychic. Lock target. So now when I guess this, Gaurang should, you got what I mean. He should get the point. Here is the thing, I didn't get the points. This didn't update it. Let's check this thing. Round. Game state. Round. Points on 0. Why? Let's do this. Let's okay. The scoring mechanism is not working in PvP mode. Okay, before I say that, let me confirm it. Let me click on next round. Okay, yeah, see, both of them got points. That shouldn't be the case. PvP mode, if 2 players are played, all the players in the game are getting the points. Okay, names are weird. Man, I love Awesome and Blossom because Awesome has fire and Blossom has the flower blossoming. So and then now if I change that, see that. Okay, another lesson. I think this is 4th or 5th lesson learned by vibe coding is the way this thing has set up the code base. I'll show you even in the APIs. If I search for this, find in where is search? Am I blind? Am I blind? Am I blind? So basically the way it is implemented is there's a hard-coded it has hard-coded Awesome and Blossom everywhere. So if I change it, if I remove it, it's going to be a painful process. Let's see. Updated chain modified to advance the PV is going by remove the logic that updated score for individual guesses. I keep the logic that is best guess maximum. I hope it didn't mess up the join game. Player mode 5 points. ABCD initialize game. This was supposed to be the last stream. All of this is because of Tan adding new requirements. Dynamic man, you want me to work on the same project every time? Okay, who is psychic? Okay, this guy, Chrome is psychic. Okay. Okay. So this guy locks guess, so Gaurang should get points. Next round. Okay. Okay, now it's working. Lock guess. It's all because of Tan. Lock guess. So now Brave should get points. Next. So one thing I'm seeing is it only updates the points when we click on next round. Ideally, we want the points to be updated as soon as the guesses are locked. But let's see. Lock target. Lock guess. Next round. Yay! Gaurang wins. Okay, this is working. Git commit refactored scoring mechanism. Okay. Let me see if it can answer questions. Why are scores only getting updated on clicking next round? Okay, what's the next one coming? You diving into game dev? No. I like AI engineering work, but I also creating fun projects with it. Let me think. Okay. Sorry, I had my thoughts jumbled up because of everything on my screen right now. Yeah. So next project is going to be something related to AI. So what I was thinking was, let me decrease this volume. Yeah. What I was thinking was, so there are a lot of open source models, right? Like for function, like tool calling, for text to speech, for speech to text. I want to create a fun game using these models. The game might be something just simple as a ball rolling, but then you use your speech to detect it, left, right, whatever, XYZ, and use 3GS for more advanced graphics rather than a simple 2D game. Battleship delayed, not cancelled. But that's the thought. I don't know exactly what will the game do, but in first few steps, I just want to prototype what we can do with these AI open source models, and can we tune them and make them real time enough so that function calling from voice works. Because for game you want more real time stuff, right? Like if you're, let's say you're making something like a temple run but purely controlled by your voice, then you want to make it real time. Like as soon as you say jump, it should jump. As soon as you say slide, it should slide. Things like that. So that's what we'll do. I don't know if we'll get a chance to do it right now, but Not right now today, but let's see. Hopefully we are done here. Okay, I have fixed the issue only in next round. Key changes insofar I extract the complex only for what from the function from the into a new result function score round. This function now calls score on internal ensure scores are different set from and present. The routes API. The reveal handler actually calls await score round immediately after making. Reveal button? What the hell did it do? Oh, the score is already here. Lock target. Lock guess. Okay. This is what I want. This is what I want. Okay. Make Uno, but you have to say Uno yourself and not just click it. And that's not fun. It's just how frequently status. Okay, let me also test it in the player PvP mode first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like how frequently would you end up saying Uno, right? I want something that's join a game. I want something that's more frequent. Like I get to use the model fast. Lock target. Lock guess. And Gaurang should get 4 points. What the fudge? It doesn't. Next round. That's fine. I'm not going to fix that bug. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to fix that. I'm going to ignore it for now. Updated. So code about the crown icon. I'm thinking right now it's just a text character. What would creating a SVG get us? There's one more thing that I realized. It doesn't show me who is the psychic anymore. See, some of these things it just does on its own. I don't know why. React again? No. I can, but I'm trying to think instead of a text character. Like, see, visually it looks great, right? It doesn't. It's not the issue. Like if you add a SVG or you have to add a React icon or some library and all that, then you have to load the SVG. You know, it adds more complexity. And I'm trying to think like for a one icon, what do we gain out of it? One teeny tiny icon for all those things. I'm going to add for PvP. This is unlocked. Oh, we want to do this, right? Let me see if we can do this real quick. So yeah, the ROI for that, it doesn't seem too much. Concept pairs. I think this is going to be a huge feature. If this feature doesn't get updated in like one shot, I'm going to skip it. Okay, the shuffle concept pair thingy. No, integrative will do it in seconds. I'm just thinking the ROI on that. Like, why are we doing this? See what I mean? Like, ideally, in like practical sense, I understand why do you want to use SVG and all that. For a web app that's mostly desktop, I am having hard time thinking, understanding. There's a lot of good changes we can do to this app, but what happened? You look cooler than emoji. Will it though? Where did my game go? Let's see. Yeah, let's think about it, okay? Nothing happens when I click on shuffle concepts. Nothing happens. So what did this dumbass do? Did it shuffle? Dark and bright. Shuffle. Dark and bright. Does it actually make server calls? So I'm so tired with this project. I just want to try get it done with. It does make a shuffle call. And I do get the left and right concept. Okay. Cruel and kind. Okay. The shuffle call works, but the UI is not getting updated. Make sure the store updates correctly. So what do you guys think about the next project idea? Is it interesting, fun, boring? I have 2-3 interesting ideas, but this one is like full on AI. Second one is more vibe coding, very less AI, but it's still fun. Chill, no need to be tired. No need to be tired. How is that? I'll be back. I'll get my tea, reheat my tea. Hopefully, then I'm not tired. already there. Something unique and fun to build. Needs this kind of stuff. Oh. Is Tan here or Tan studying? Or is gone? Dark and bright. There you go. Boring lecture, inspiring speech. Pessimistic, optimistic. Let's do this. Where is this sound coming from? Okay. So only the so the concept pairs only changed on the psychic for the psychic. Update the even the non-psychic players or teams should see the new concept pairs. Now this should be easy. I'm just looking for games that work with your next idea. Oh, you mean the voice-based AI kind of thing? Oh yeah. Ask AI for ideas. I like that. Then we can add some 3JS fancy stuff for like a nice hangman. So pessimist, optimist, log guess, locked in, waiting for host. Who is the host? Next round. So this is the psychic, soft, hard, shuffle, pessimist, optimist, pessimist, ooh, logical, emotional, let's go. And just say this is emotional, lock target. This is, nah man, I am logical. Sucker. Next round. Textbook, hands-on learning. Lock target. Lock target. Next round. Ooh, Team Awesome wins. Everything is ready, like there is a wooden structure, letter. Yeah. I like that idea. I like that idea. I have a okay. Okay. I have a thought on it. Hangman is a good idea. We can keep that in This is playable player, right? Hot, cold, mountain, valley, mountain, valley. Okay, perfect. We are good to go. Next round. Vintage contemporary, lock target. Lock guess. Next round. Lock target. Theoretical, practical. Theoretical, practical. Next round. Yeah, brave win. Back to main menu. Okay, we are good. Added concept pair shuffle feature. Okay, now let's do what the SVG. Let's see SVG. Convert the crown emoji into detail SVG. A 3D man and a pole, but the X amounts of levers. If all the levers are down, the platform under him slides. Back to menu. Host a game. Player mode. Join game. Start game. Convert it into a crown SVG and it should render next to the player name. I'm thinking of all these. But then in the fishing game, fish farming. I'm trying to think how would I use AI. I want to use AI. That is for sure. Yeah. Sorry, I got distracted. I want to use AI. That is for sure. Let AI manage the farm. No, by AI, I meant like some open source models that I can use on the browser to do things. That is the dream. Let's do this. Let's see if the crown actually works. And this is how the crown looks. I think the jeweled crown was better, at least to me. Yeah, I'm going to skip the SVG for now. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't. It didn't look good. It should be beside the name, but just the crown itself. It wasn't gel for us. It was for you because you're on Mac. Ooh, that's true. That's the thing about emoji, right? It will use what you expect it to be. Whose idea was this? Whose idea was it to make the crown cooler? Tell me. Where are my deployments? Okay, it's deploying. Wait, it already deployed? No, right? It shouldn't have. Ready latest? That was fast. Well, there you go. Okay, it's already deployed. That was interesting. So, Tan, about the name. Do you want it to remember the name or not? There's a guy called Code something. Code is going to Code converted himself into a crocodile or something. Hurry up and tell me if you want the name saving thing or not. Don't remember it? Okay. Let me just change that then. Okay. Okay. Every time you refresh it, everything will be lost. Okay. That's how it works now. Storage. Do the logic. So that update the logic. Right now the game is saving the player ID and player name to the user ID and player name. And player name. Not even after rounds. If you refresh the page. Okay, let me do this. I'll give you a better option. Saying the user in plain add a settings icon in the game header to allow users to change their player name. That even happens right now because the game is not using authentication, right? It's practically stateless. Technically, it's easy to implement that feature that if you refresh, it will pull everything from the thing. because our games do have. Did I close every window? Yeah. Our games do have this room number in it. What happened here? I had signed in with Google. Hi. Should I? Should I just add that? I mean, I don't think I'm going to start a new project today. I have hour, 1 hour most. By the way, if you want to just try right now, go to this URL. See if you can play the game with your friend. See if there is a bug or an issue or something. And I'll try to see if I can add some cool features while you're doing that. Some cool features like, there you go. You start one create branch for me too, code guy. Oh yeah, you want to contribute? I can. You might be busy. He's in USA. Ooh. Who is your friend who is in USA? Code, if you want to contribute, ping me your email address, maybe in a one-on-one chat or something, however you're comfortable. I can add you as a contributor to the repo. I already ended that game. So there you go. So now you can change your name. Can you see this? Click on it. Update your name. Let me save it. Host. Initialize game. DaveMode is here. Okay, yeah, it works. Oh, he's in US. Oh, the I forgot his name, but something like that, right? You can't. No, I haven't pushed it yet. I just added it. So the thing with adding support for refresh is we will then have to maintain the state of the room, right? So what I mean by that is, so if I go here, awesome. if I go here right now, so now the game room, yeah, I don't think it's easy. So now, right now, the players are in waiting state. So now the psychic has been assigned. This is a different state. Now this is a play state, right? Now this is like a state where the psychic has locked in the guess, and the players are trying to guess things like that. So it's if someone refreshes randomly, we'll have to maintain this whole state of the game to bring him or her to the right place in the game, which is very not too tricky, but it is tricky. So yeah. Oh, look at the sunlight here. It's messing up my video. Anyways, so that is the thing. So I think this should be good. Let me push this. You should see the settings icon soon enough. 10. Yeah, what happens if the setting is here? I never tested that. Let's see. Deployment. It's building. You don't find it. Okay. Let's play one game. And then we can. Let's start a new thing. Yes. We'll play one game over here. And okay, there you go. There you go. All right. You know the URL, right? I'll host the game. I'll set player versus player. Initialize game. Year 10. If you can, join this. The game URL is the same. No, it will be public. It will be public. Join this game. We'll test it real quick. And if all is well, we'll call it a day. Call it a day for the project. Here is the URL again for your reference. Year 10. See if you can change your see if you can change your name 10. On the upper right corner, change your name to something. I just want to see. Yo, Prath, welcome. Yes, sir, the game is complete. Add your PayPal too if someone wants to donate, they will do. Okay, yeah, that is a good idea. Oh, yeah, see, 10 player name has changed. Let's make him a psychic. Let's start. Oh, who is psychic? Am I psychic or is 10 psychic? 10, are you psychic or am I psychic? I'm going to call you. Oh, I almost removed 10 from my friend list. You are okay. No, I just wanted to make sure. Okay, you are here, right? Okay. Quiet and loud. I'm going to say 10 is very loud. And can you hear me? Okay, okay. So it's, I think your turn to guess. Oh, 10 guessed wrong. I didn't get a point. Okay, now your turn to be the psychic. What? Oh, I didn't hear your hint. I just clicked. Yeah, I want to see the scoring work as well. So next round. Why? This is where it. Sorry. Yeah, and see, this is where it messes up sometimes. See, uh, are you able to do anything? And even for me, it is stuck on waiting for players. I don't know if it's the super base that's causing the issue. This sucks. Game round, game settings, max points, round data. It says round number 3. Okay. Everything seems okay. And you are on round number 3, right? On the left corner on the thing. Do you Yeah, this I don't know why it's happening. There's nothing I can do about it. Uh, my guess is psychic hint. Psychic. Does it say who is the psychic? Game state, team score, play score, team, current team. Is host true? Is loading false? Okay, let's try one more game. I want to check something here. I'm going to refresh and I'll send you the code. Okay. Host a game. We'll just use team game. Initialize game. Here is the code. Refresh your page, join a game, and enter this code QA722Y. Why is the wheel moving? Because it's a wheel. Okay, Tan is here. Assign psychic. So Tan is psychic. Start game. Okay. Game data. Okay. Okay. I'm seeing psychic hint null target position. Okay. Log guess. Okay. So you don't have an option to click on next round, right? Okay. Next round. Lock target. Yay, we both were the next round. Lock guess. Yay, next round. Yay, team awesome wins. Okay. So this works. Okay. There were no issues with starting a new round. Okay, I'm going to try one more time in player mode. Okay. I'm going to give you the code again. Here is the code. Um, Okay. Assign psychic. Tan is psychic. Start game. Okay, see. It right. I have to check the stream. It showed Tan is psychic, right? In the stream. And it made me the psychic. Okay. No. So when I selected the psychic. Okay, can you click on yeah. Okay. So next round. Okay, so now Tan is psychic. You selected the target, right? Okay. Lock guess. Round results. Okay. So next round. Lock target. Huh. Next round. Oh, this works. So why did it freeze the last time? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think it works. Let me think about it. All right. Thanks, man. I think I won't be testing it again now. Yeah, I think I know the potential issue, but let's see. But it works. You and Prath can also try it few times, and if you find any bugs, just ping in the Discord channel. Just list and try to record if you can record it. What's happening, so that I can. It's easy for me to fix it. Cool, man. Thank you so much. No problem, man. Chal. See ya. Bye. Okay. So my guess is you guys saw thing, right? My guess is let me close this up. Thank you, Mr. Rim. Array, no problem, Parth. Thank you. Yeah, my guess is somehow in between the game, Superbase's real-time updates, they are not. There's some race condition going on, and the real-time updates don't go through. Especially when we like go from one round to another. Oh, and look at my video. So there are two options. One is let's keep it like this for now. Let Tan and Prath play the hell out of it and find more bugs. And if there are bugs, we can fix it. Code guy, let me know if you want to contribute. I'll add you to the repo as a contributor. You can create PRs and all. Send me your just GitHub email or something. Okay. But yeah, if this bug persists, if you guys see this happening a lot, that when you click on next round and nothing happens, one hacky solution would be to add a refresh button or something that pulls the data for you, and then it will continue going forward. Yeah, maybe I can just add it over here. Add more features. New one right now. New project, right? Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. I'm just going to make a note of this. And let me add. Oh, this we have done. players are stuck in between rounds. I'll just make a note of it. Add a potential fix. Add a manual refresh button. Add a manual refresh button to pull the new round changes. And what else? Make sure there is a delay between multiple clicks, because if Dan gets impatient, he might click it 10 times and then the server will be, oh no, wait. Multiple clicks. Right, and there was one more feature that we were thinking of adding, right? Yeah. Let me do this. Feature. Add refresh support. This is something that I'll add in future. I'm not sure if the page will take users to the correct state in the game. I'm not sure if I'll add it right now, but yeah. Whether the words are long, they get cut. Okay, noted. Yeah, I've seen that happening a few times as well. So one option for that is, again, I'm not going to do it right now, but do I have it open anywhere? Yeah. One option to do that is, maybe I remove the scoring from here, make this whole large screen thingy, like the dial and everything, and so that we have more space for the words. And then maybe the scoring is something that you see on the footer or maybe on the top. But if you have more players, then even that won't work. So I'm not sure. How do we do that? But just something to keep in mind. I'll add that to the list as well. Maybe for here, I can just do this, right? No, this doesn't work. Long words in concept pairs. Cut off. Yeah, I can make a font a bit smaller too. But then again, it might it glitch again waiting for players. You know what? Let me just add that. So what did you do? You remember 10 exactly, like sequence of steps? Let me see if we can debug this. Sometimes when the host clicks on next round, the app, the players do not, none of the players progress to the next round. It might be a issue with Superbase's real-time updates or UI state updates. Debug the issue and come up with potential root causes before fixing the issue. Let's see. And the scoring. Man, look at the feedback I am getting. Scoring is stupid. What do you mean by stupid, man? Yeah. You do create okay. Let's see. It glitched again after we refreshed. Yeah, that's weird. It's happening randomly. Now, what do you mean by scoring is stupid? So I'll need some constructive feedback on what's happening when you talk about the issues. He didn't guess right, but I got points. Okay. Then you like add that as a thing. And as assume the race can where the game state round number updates before the new round data is available to the client. I've updated the plan to fix writing robust check and a fetch mechanism. Let's see. Wait, I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting. I'm just trying to fix it on the client side. I mean, locally, not client side, and then recording. Okay. Take your time. Don't worry. So this is good. Like we are getting more testing done on it in production. We are getting more feedback. I think another lesson here is even with I don't know if I'm vibe coding correctly or if this is a common vibe coding issue, but I should have released to production early on, get more feedback early on. But yeah, well. Another thing is the planning mode. I think the planning mode is good. When I talk so much, my tea keeps getting cold. I'll be back. Just give me a second. What is this? Oh, okay. Start the game, use two browser host and play round one, complete round one, advance, click to next round, player observe the screen. Yeah, refresh won't work, but let's see. Not this. What am I doing? Not this. Localhost, refresh, join a game. I mean host a game. Let's do player mode. Yeah, it won't magically go away. Okay, it's weird bug. It's fixed now. I'm telling you, it's not. How do I explain? Maybe I don't. Let's see. Join. Psychic is brave. Start. Lock target. Lock guess. Next round. Lock target. Lock guess. Let me have the Brave browser open on my second screen. Right now it seems to be working. I didn't see the sync anywhere. It's hard to test this locally. This is stupid. Accept all. Oh, okay. Did it do this anywhere? Okay. It worked because it actually fetched the new rounds. Curious. Okay. Sync indicator. What the hell is sync indicator? Okay, this only way to test this is to test this in production. Fix for next round sync issue. Okay. Okay. Okay, Tan. Are you there? Tan and enable. Allow. This is good. I like this. Is it? I'm pushing another version. Clear your cache and refresh when I tell you to, and then try and see if it's still an issue. Okay. You mean the glitch, right? Like it's by freezing you mean it's like next round is stuck on the thing, right? I'm releasing potential. Okay. clear your cache, refresh your browser and try again. 10. If you are on a Discord call, call me there. Let me join your call and see if possible. Yeah, I just released it few seconds ago. Yes, sir.
Hey, streamer.
Hey. Can you like share share your screen, Tent, by any chance? Okay.
Oh, I can cheat.
Can you like share your screen, Tent, by any chance? So you cleared your cache and refreshed, right? Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Assign psychic. Yeah. Okay. Starting game. Common rare. No. So now, who's the Parth need to lock the target, right?
I did.
Okay. So this was outside the target. It still got 2 points. Okay, that will look into it. So who is the host? Okay, so next round started. So now Prath needs to set the.
I can move the wheel now.
You can or cannot?
I cannot. I can share my screen if you want me to.
Oh yeah. Can you do that?
Yep. Can you see my screen now?
No, I'm just seeing tan screen. Oh, grid view. Oh. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Can you like right click and select? Can you right click, Prath, and go to inspect the last option? Go to console over here on the right. There's a console thingy. Yeah.
Console? Oh,
Uh, okay. It's okay. Let's then let me figure out a different way to debug this. I'll let you know. You guys continue. Tan, you go to sleep. Go prepare all the best for your exam, and
bye, Tan.
I'll look into this later. Cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Prath. Thanks,
Thank you,
Tan.
streamer.
Yeah. All the best. See you guys later. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Oof. Setup changed. No, man. I was trying to test this, but something is not working when it comes to production. Trying to think what. It's hard to reproduce locally. Can't figure out what do I do. Let me. You guys, Parth, are you there? You guys were trying player mode, right? Let me try that locally. Dan was hosting? Okay, okay. Okay, so log target, log guess. Works. The dumb scoring is still not working, but okay. Next. Log target. It is working every time when I do this. Parth, one last question. Yeah, you just showed me. You couldn't do any of these things. No. I was just thinking out loud. Why is it? It's only happening in production. Maybe next time when you and Tan play, start recording before you start the game, and then try and send me the video. Okay? Because I'm not able to reproduce it here. And I don't know what to do about it. Yeah. But yeah, send me the video, and I can. In the meantime, offline, I'll try to debug it and fix it. All right, I guess. I think I'm going to call it a day to the stream as well. We are almost there. I thought this was going to be last stream for this project, but it still has some bugs that is preventing us from doing that. We are very close. So we might have one more stream to do this. So mostly next Sunday. I'll see you all then. Till then, take care, stay safe, guys, and thank you everyone for joining. I'll see you on a Sunday. Bye. I still don't have an end screen. You too, Prath. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah.